The following video is intended for general audiences. It may contain coarse language, bad puns, suggestive images, and bad advice. It probably just contains retro computer crap. But don't try this at home, even if I tell you to.
Alright, here we go. I just wanted to do a quick little video to show that I finally got this Nightmare Moon back together. For some time now I have been working on replacing her voice box with show accurate quotes. I finally got it all together. The voice box was easy. There was quite a few little things online. I found a little AVR tool that ran on an AT-Tiny and read WAV files from an SD card. I just used that with a micro SD. The hard part was getting it all to fit. The original circuitry was reasonably small, but more importantly, there's very little space inside there. However, I finally got it going. Let's see if I can trigger it for the camera without dislodging everything. So yeah, there's a bit of a mix of the various Luna appearances, well, the various Nightmare Moon appearances, including Luna as Nightmare Moon. There's no straight Luna quotes, because that would be silly. Hopefully the camera's picking it up and you can actually hear them.
Don't you know who I am? Did you not recall it? Did you not see the sign?
Anyway, that should be enough to show it. There's about 120 megs of different audio files in there. They're randomly scattered together. Pretty pleased. It's finally working. I do not wish to make another one because what a pain in the butt this was. Not only getting the board to fit in there was hard, but there was a secondary problem, and now I'm going to start showing stuff which is going to kind of ruin the video. But the backside here, the screw holes, which you can sort of make out in the video here, are quite a real pain. She's so dark, it's hard for the camera to pick anything up. I guess I should have got a light for this video. But anyway, these screw holes, when you get the Nightmare Moon new, they're all filled in with solid plugs that are glued into place. I actually had to drill the holes out, and you might be able to see there's a tiny bit of damage on this side as a result. I did the best I could. There was a lot of damage to the screws, so even once I got the plugs out, it was a real pain getting the screws out. But she did go all back together. When I had her apart, I tested a different speaker, but the one that she came with was actually pretty good, so I left that in place. Don't know. Not sure what I'm going to do with her now that she's finally working. Maybe I'll put her up on eBay or something. Anyway,